Okay, so I've been shopping and I found something that I tried to find for like 2 years now and I couldn't find it anywhere. Rennet. I can finally make cheese. What was supposed to be a chill day of editing videos because I have way too many and I'm running out of space on my phone. Turned out I'm making a video now. Yay! Yeah. Yeah. So, in plan today is to make cheese. I'm gonna make a special kind of cheese, and I'm actually gonna experiment. I got some milk. I'm gonna experiment. All of the recipes for cheese usually are for 10 liters of milk. I just have 3, so I'm gonna wing it. But hopefully, it's gonna turn out something. So, we're making cheese today. Let me gather the ingredients. Let me prepare, and we're making cheese today. Yeah, so I realized I don't have a cheesecloth. So, at the store again. I am going at the store again. I'm gonna have to improvise somehow if I can't find, but I'm gonna find. Who am I kidding? I'm in Norway and I'm not gonna find anything here. So I found something. Because I can't find anything. I tried. It's just a no-go. But I found something that works perfectly. It's not a cheesecloth. It's more of just a cloth. Hopefully it'll work. Hopefully. Okay, so let's start. Don't mind the sound in the background, it's just water boiling. Because I got these, well, washcloths that I'm gonna use as a cheesecloth. I don't have time to wash them, so I'm just gonna boil some water and put it in boiling water. Hopefully it sterilizes. Now, I have the rennet. The problem is that this one has a really precise way of measuring. So for each 10 liters, you use a capful. I'm not gonna use 10 liters, I'm gonna use about 2.5. So I need to measure out how much is in one cap, so that I know how much I need to divide it by. I got myself some pipettes. I really do hope these are gonna be useful. We'll see. Ooh, the water is done. And it's gonna sit there and steam for, I don't know, until I need it. Just as a disclaimer, because I forgot to say that, I have no idea what I'm doing. I used to make cheese with my grandma when I was a kid, but I have absolutely no idea how. I just called my mom. I talked with her for about half an hour on how to make cheese. I dug down in my memories, and that's kind of it. I'm gonna wing it. So, Grandma, I'm sorry. Please don't rain thunders over me and stuff. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Now, we're gonna need to measure out 2.5 liters for starters of milk. So, we need a pot and we need a measuring jug. And of course, we need milk. Let's see. Full fat milk, well, not playing with skinny boys. This would be 1 liter. Second liter. And half a liter. Now, we take this heavy boy, hopefully it doesn't break. on the stove, turn on the heat, and my mom was very specific. Not hot. She actually yelled at me. So, doesn't have to be hot. You have to have it around 40 degrees, so just lukewarm. Should be good. Remove it from the heat. And we're gonna put it on the table. And now we take some rennet. It should be roughly that much. We're putting the rennet in. And mix well, because from what I remember, this is instantly doing something. Okay, maybe not that instant. And now we stay and look at it. Now we'll leave it for like 40-45 minutes, she said. And then we check how the curds are. But it will have to be covered. So, see ya. The timer is up. We need to see. So it's still somewhat lukewarm. Why does it look like milk? Still. What? Oh, no, never mind. It's congealed. Ooh. Ooh. It's thick. Oh, we're making cheese. We're making cheese. Look at it. We're making cheese. We're making cheese. There. Okay. I have no idea how am I gonna do this. I'm gonna try with the spoon first. Ooh. This looks good. This looks cheesy. This is quite a lot. How thick is this? Shouldn't I just toss the whole thing in? Dunk the whole thing in? Wouldn't that be easier? Is it doing something? Whoa! It's a lot of liquid. At this point, I'm just getting things dirty, to be honest. Because I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. My grandma would smack me right now and just yell at me that I'd done this before. Yeah, Grandma, I was like 4 or 5. I don't remember that. How am I supposed to lift this one now up without making a mess? It's working, at least the cloth is working. Maybe if I press on it? Ooh, it's warm. It's warm! Oh, it's squirting. Oh, damn it! I put it on the floor. Ah! Stop squirting on me! Stop peeing on me! No! Ah! No! 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 I'm losing cheese! Ah! No, 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 no. No, I'm losing cheese. I'm losing cheese. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What do I do now? What do I do now? I don't know. I need a strainer. Ah! Damn it! Ah! No! Stay here. Okay. I think we're good. I think we're good. Are we good? I'm losing cheese. No. Are we good though? I think we're good. So no more squeezing. Okay. Jesus, it's everywhere. Now, take two, gather the corners, lift up. Put this one here. Empty out this one. And then put it in here again. No. I'm gonna leave it there. Clear out the way. Clean a bit. Jesus, there's cheese on the doors. How the hell did this? This is messy. I said let's make a mess in the beginning, but this is not what I had in mind. My grandma used to put it in some cloth that had a point though, but still she put it on a cloth and she used to hang it. I'm gonna do that too. Hey, it's hanging. Huh. No, I'm not putting it by the light. Where do I hang it now from? I can hang it from this knob. Nope, that's gonna make me eat. I prefer the tin sound. And that's it. That's good enough, isn't it? Okay. I need to clean the mess. Be right back. Okay, so now it's raining, so we'll have to wait a while. But we need to prepare a salt water solution in which it's gonna marinate for a couple of days so that it takes some salt. I'm gonna put it after it's rained. So I can do that now, actually. And for that we'll need a bowl. Salt, plenty, an egg. Now, bear with me, it has a purpose. And water. Now, we take a whisk, we take some salt. I feel like that would be. And we start mixing. So the whole point with the egg is that you're supposed to put the egg in, and when the egg floats, it's the correct salinity. That's a lot of salt. So I'm gonna keep doing that until it reaches the correct level of saltiness. No. Do you float now? No! Either the egg is broken or the salt is not salty. I put a lot of salt! What the hell? Because I'm not patient at all, I am gonna start squeezing the liquid from the cheese. I'm talking like I have any idea what I'm doing, but I actually have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just impatient. I do this, and then I'm squeezing it. Maybe. Yeah, that seems like it's working. Squirting! Stop squirting! Stop squirting everywhere. Dude! I'm making a mess everywhere. Ah, come on, stop it, stop it! Can you please just... Apparently if I hold my hands around, it's more calm. Stop it! Oh, come on! I'm tired. I got tired. This is gonna take a long time. So I'm gonna be back when I'm done with it. Okay, so what I'm ending up doing is just putting it like this, like flat on the bottom. Here, I squeeze the hell out of it. But I'm gonna put it on the bottom of that strainer, and I'm gonna put a weight on it, and I'm gonna wait for a couple of hours. I think maybe overnight. It's quite late in the night, so maybe overnight, and it's gonna be ready for tomorrow. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so what I ended up doing was to put the Dutch oven on top, filled with water. There's plenty of weight, just for good measure. I'm putting the cap on. And that's it with the cheese for today. Let's check the salty water solution. The majority of salt seems to be gone, so let's see. Float.
Nope.
I don't get it. Are you floating? Are you... Almost. Almost floating, so that's good. We'll check it tomorrow to see how it goes. Okay, so it's morning. Everything has set overnight, so let's see how it turned out. This is heavy. Okay, let's see this one. Hey, it looks like cheese. We have cheese. Can't believe it, we have cheese. Wait, I need a cutting board. And we have cheese, I can't believe it. Now, I want to cut a bit from it. I'm gonna make it a square. And put it in the water. Let's see. It's cheese! Oh, it's my grandma's cheese. Can't believe it. My grandma's cheese. But does it taste like it? That's the question. Let's see. Yes. The answer is yes. It tastes like it. Yo, it really needs salt. And for that, it's gonna stay in there for a couple of days. Well, it's floating, so that's not how it works, does it? I'm happy. I have cheese now. My good old cheese. Definitely gonna make mozzarella. And I don't know. I'm gonna do some research and see what other type of cheese I can make to make more mess here. God, I have a lot to clean again. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye bye. Oh yeah, I forgot. I put the cheese in a container and in the salt water solution thingy, and this is gonna stay in the fridge. This is gonna stay in there for 3-4 days so that the cheese takes as much salt as it needs, and it's gonna firm up a bit more. And yeah, I forgot to say that also the water is gonna become a bit murky, so that's not the problem. It's just how it is, because well, the cheese kind of the cheese has some liquid left in it, so it's gonna exchange and it's gonna become a bit murky, but it's perfectly fine. But yeah, that's it. I'm saying this not because I would know the scientific part of it. I just know how my grandma did it, and it was fine. Yeah, hope you enjoy. See ya.